Through the years, the company name has changed a lot also. Dahlstrom Metallic Door reflected the company's early emphasis. The Dahlstrom Manufacturing Company came next, when the door product was gradually phased out. Dahlstrom Corporation followed then as the company began a period of acquisition. Finally, the Dahlstrom Manufacturing Company Incorporated was formed in June of 1973 when the Jamestown division of the Dahlstrom Corp was purchased by a group of local business owners and became a separate entity. This mid-70s period is when business began to take off again for Dahlstrom, according to company archives. In an internal document we found from March of 1974, it read, "In spite of supply shortages and inflation, the results of an alert management team along with good fiscal policy, plus good union relations and just plain hard work have generated greater business than was first anticipated in such a short period of time."